Hello Virgo, this is your quick oracle reading. So if you're new, please do subscribe, like, and share. Kung natagpuan mo tong video na to, possible para sa'yo. Your oracle card is 21, the Field of Dreams. It's time that you also take it slow, Virgo. Masyado ka nang nangangarag sa life mo, masyado ka nang galaw ng galaw, masyado ka na madaming ginagawa. Well, it's a moment naman, this is a moment naman na medyo kailangan mong start dreaming, start building again yung mga desires mo. Ang dami mo naman na-fulfill eh. Ang dami mo na na-accomplish. Time again to replenish that bucket list. This time, taasan mo na yung expectations mo from the universe. Taasan mo na yung faith mo doon sa desires mo. Because the universe wants you to gain more in this process. Good luck! So I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo. Subscribe for more and I'll see you in the next video.